There's a lot of information online about how to clean your glasses the right way. But with so much out there, it can start to feel a little confusing on what to follow. As eyewear experts, we wanted to make your life a little bit easier and show you our tried and tested method on how to clean and care for your glasses. We're Mia Burton, the eyewear place, and this is your foolproof guide on how to clean and care for your glasses. All you need to take care of your glasses comes in our Mia Burton Care Kit, which is included as a complimentary gift with every order. This kit contains a cleaning spray, a mini screwdriver, and a microfiber cloth. These 3 things are super simple to use and work the same way for when you need to clean your eyeglasses or your sunglasses. Before starting with the kit, you'll first need to pass your glasses under tepid water. This helps remove dust from the lens and frame, and it's important because these small particles can cause micro scratches that over time will damage your frame. Once rinsed, leave them to air dry. Now, we'll start with the cleaning. Spray your frames with the cleaning spray. Then, wipe and polish the frame and lenses with the soft microfiber cloth. If you don't have your glasses spray with you, never use aggressive detergents or other household cleaning products. Their harsh chemicals can ruin the frame and damage the lenses. Instead, you can use a very small amount of mild, fragrance-free soap to clean your frames before rinsing them with water and then leaving them out to dry. Don't use your clothing or textured fabrics to wipe your frames. Even the smallest bit of texture can lead to micro scratches on the lenses and strip away lens coating, which is why your microfiber cloth is so important. Do always place your frames back in their case when you're not wearing them. This will extend the lifespan of your glasses. Don't wear them on your head or hook them on your shirt. Although it might be a habit, it will bend the frame and eventually damage them. If you're used to taking your frames on and off and can't be bothered to always place them back in their case, consider using an eyewear chain. It's a stylish addition and you'll find a wide selection on miaburton.com. Are your frames fitting a little too tight or too loose? That's what the mini screwdriver is for. Match your frame screws to the corresponding side of our kit's mini screwdriver. It includes both a Phillips head side and a slotted side. If they're too tight, loosen the screws. If they're too loose, tighten them. If you notice that your glasses are sitting uneven, don't try to bend them yourself. Go to an optician to have them properly aligned. Did you like the video? Leave a comment and let us know if you have any other questions about frame care. We're here to answer them. Visit our channel and subscribe for more.